Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back out in the shop again today. Yesterday we released our new YouTube video, which is just kind of what's going on in the shop, and I explained how, you know, we lost some of our content, and you know, it had been a few weeks that we hadn't really posted much, because we were trying to wait to see if we can get that content back. In those few weeks that we had our time off, there's a fellow YouTuber that I watch daily. When he posts stuff, I watch it. He's a fellow car builder. His shop name is Halfass Kustoms, and he was on vacation for a car show, the Lone Star Roundup in Texas, and when he was on his way home from that, he got a phone call that his shop was burning down. By the time he got home, it was gone. He lost everything. All his tools, all the stuff that's irreplaceable, lost some of his hot rods. And you know, it really, you know, here I am complaining about not being able to post a few videos for you guys, and this guy lost it all. You know, it's every car guy and shop owner's, you know, worst nightmare, and he just went through it. He's still going through it. So he's got a long road of recovery ahead of him. And I wish him all the best, and I hope he gets everything back better than he ever had before. I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason. And a lot of times, you know, that reason is because it's got to make way for the new and better life to come in and take over. So I wish him the best, and you know, let's keep him in our thoughts and prayers. And I'm gonna put the links to his stuff down below. So I know he's got a GoFundMe page going. So I know I don't have many followers out there, but you know, if any of you guys wanna, you know, subscribe to his channel, like, you know, leave a thoughtful comment for him, or you know, you want to donate to his GoFundMe, all that stuff, all those links will be down below. So thank you. Stay safe out there, everyone. I'll catch you in the next video.